let us do a deep dive on network load balancer. Okay, and yeah, here we go. So a network load balancer in AWS is just like a super fast traffic manager for your application, and basically it is used to and basically it is designed to handle massive amounts of requests while keeping the delays very low. And so if you want to understand network load balancer in very simpler terms, so basically you can just imagine a gaming server. Let's say you are playing Valorant. At the backend, the thing which is working here is network load balancer. NLB is best for handling TCP and UDP traffic, which are used for high-speed connections like real-time gaming, financial transaction, or video streaming. Okay, and the next thing would be NLB operates on layer 4 of the OSI model, which is the transport layer, which is used for handling the TCP and UDP traffic. It is used to handle high throughput, low latency traffic and can manage millions of requests per second while maintaining the ultra low latencies. So that's the important point that we need to consider. Okay, now let us see what are the key points of network load balancers. So the first thing here is fast and scalable. So it can handle a lot of traffic with very quickly, okay, within seconds. And second is it keeps the original IP address. Now, what do I mean by that? When a request is sent to your server, they can still see where the request came from and which can be useful for the security and logging purpose. Okay. Next is the static IP. Network load balancers give you a fixed IP address for your load balancer, which means a user is always connected to the same address. Okay. And the important part in load balancer itself is the health check, it which actually constantly checks whether your servers are working fine or not, and it stops sending the traffic if they are not working fine. In simpler terms, a network load balancer is just like a traffic cop for your high-speed real-time app for making your traffic get distributed without making the application slow down. Okay, now let us cover the use cases. So it can be used for the application that require high performance and low latency communication, and it can be used for real-time applications such as gaming servers or financial transaction. Third would be a system that require preservations of the client source IP for further processing, for example, security system, and it can be used as a large-scale application with millions of requests per second. It can be used in the environments which require static IP for load balancer access. Okay, that was all the use cases that network load balancers bring us into the scene. So that was all about network load balancer, and see you in the next one.